We've got a DPF model 70 series here. This was done about 3 to 5 years ago. Fortunately, the turbo had the bearing collapse in it, so he's had it updated to what they call a G-Turbo Titan, which is a newer version, far more responsive, better compressor wheel. We've also done a power pipe, airbox, fans, and plus 100 injectors. We found the hundreds to be an awesome injector because you can actually run fairly well close to factory rail pressure and still make 300 to 400 horsepower depending on your corresponding mods. Previously, we would have to run a significant amount of rail pressure with the smaller injectors to get that much power, and obviously when you're getting the fuel in the correct window of duration, it is far more efficient. You can make more power at less rail pressure, less boost, opacity, like how much it smokes out of the exhaust. They run really clean, so it'll be nice to get this set up on the dyno. It'll make 300 horsepower no problem at quite low boost levels. We will be testing a few things because it's done a lot of off-road work, and I did do a base run before we did the injectors as it had one high adaptation value. Did notice a few inconsistencies with the boost control, so I suspect there's a possibility that the controller itself is starting to play up, and I think that's why we stress the point, if you've got a highly modified truck, get it over the dyno once a year, even if it's just for a health checkup. If you think your truck could do with some maintenance, flick us a message and we'll see if we can get you a booking or help out with any advice you might need.